Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. You don't know, it's your girl Toya. I know Poppy's not sitting next to me, but he's sitting right there. I was challenged by no other than Empress Marcy, and Queen Lori will also be doing this challenge as well. Yes. Now, I don't generally wear a lot of lipstick, but for you, Marcy, I will make this possible in this video. All right?
So, Oni, oh, you do a lipstick challenge and I'm a lipstick. What kind of madness is this?
Oh. Well, I guess it wouldn't be a challenge without the lipstick, huh? Guys, how comes when I never tell me something up without my lipstick yet? I want to stay so bad. No, sir. This don't make no sense. Alright, so Poppy, can you get me my lipstick?
Alright then.
Alright guys, I'm just going to apply some lipstick here real quick. What do you think, babe? You like lipstick on me?
I guess it's alright.
I think it kind of dries up my lips, so I just don't fancy too much lipstick. How do I look?
You look nice, man.
Yeah? Alright guys, so and I also have some Moscato on the side with a straw. When Poppy saw me pouring out the Moscato, he was like, how are you gonna drink that without ruining? Watch, baby, watch. Alright, so guys, I have here some, I ordered some chicken, what name funny? Chicken Alfredo, fettuccine, something to that effect. And when I got home, all I got was the pasta and the sauce. There was no chicken. So Honey had ordered meatballs and spaghetti. So he was nice enough to share one of his meatballs with me. So I'm going to cut that up really small. Oh, before I start, let me set my timer real quick. So I guess I have to eat for 8 minutes. Let's see if I can finish this in 8 minutes. Y'all know I don't eat fast. Alright, so starting now. Alright. Oh, I probably should have gotten a knife for this, babe.
A knife?
Yeah, to cook because the noodles are so long.
So why not? Why not?
See. Like twirl it? You ever tell me if I get it messed up enough?
I remember you have to use that 8 minutes in there. Only for stush eating thing.
Stush eating, but...
Yeah. Remember the challenge, you have to speed up the thing, man.
This is so embarrassing.
Why?
Cause I don't eat like this.
What do you normally eat? With a spoon?
No spoon. I'm afraid when people eat with spoon.
Excuse me, I'm not challenging because a straight spoon is in there.
Well, if I should go ahead and just challenge some people while I eat. Let's see who I could challenge.
Challenge people, you don't even know if you ever do the challenge.
No worry about them, I still not challenge them. So, let me see who should I challenge now. Dum da da dum. Dum da da dum. Let me see. Who you say on it?
Let's go ahead and whatever the challenge.
No man.
I'll think of something.
Alright.
You got it?
Mm-hmm. Doing good so far. See?
So I wonder if you eat off the food in 8 minutes or you have to just
I don't
eat for
think
8
you have to
minutes.
just eat for 8 minutes, I think.
Okay.
Because you know me not eat fast, so I wouldn't even have accepted this challenge. if I had to eat all of this in 8 minutes. It tastes good though, but I'm so disappointed that they would not put chicken in this food. And it's more expensive than y'all's food. And I have no meat, yeah. It's crazy.
Very nice with the meat, Mom.
It's okay. I mean, I had no choice. I don't think I could just eat just the pasta by itself. Alright, here we go again.
Yeah, do good on it.
I'm doing good, babes.
Your thing sort out.
This one, if I use it done long time, don't. One thing though, guys, I have a bad habit. Like I can't eat and not drink. It's a bad habit, but for some reason, the food just won't go down. So, let me see how we do it now. They don't make you such a mouth like I drink it. Guys, only here. One me. How are you funny? I know it's a bad habit though to eat and drink, but that's my bad habit. I guess we all have our bad habits, right?
I don't know about it.
Who don't have no bad habit? You don't have a bad habit?
Nope.
Here we go again. It's what we call stush eating.
Nothing too stush.
Well, me want to eat stush no, but the challenge will require you to eat stush. I can't wait to see Empress Marcy's video and also Queen Lori. I have to see if I'm the master the thing. Here we go again. Very easy challenge.
Easy? Lipstick now,
Lipstick still in top, man. It's probably the first challenge I ever go in, I guess. I don't know. Oh, that water cracker challenge. Man, that challenge was a challenge and a half. Don't it?
Challenge and a half.
Challenge and a half.
But me, I said the challenge is to just see if you can not ruin your lipstick in 8 minutes. So you don't have to eat up the whole of the food.
We got 2 minutes and 48 seconds remaining. And so far, as you can see,
Flawless.
flawless. Here we go again.
Only I move like a pro, like a you come up with a
And
challenge.
I like easy challenges.
One is easy.
This one is easy. Yeah. Alright. So let me see. I need to start challenging some people. At least 3 people.
Still a thing, Conor. Still a thing. Let's go on and eat. Focus on the eating.
You don't think too long. Guys, y'all wanna see Poppy? You know, so no well want to see me now. You don't not see him on a video. Yeah. And me, no, them not tired of you, them love you. But me alone and I see today. No Poppy around here. We're almost finished. 7 minutes and 26 seconds. And for those of you who didn't know that I was a left-hander, I'm a lefty. Smart people. 1 minute and 6 seconds to go. I'm getting full already. 16 seconds. Guys, I think I did pretty awesome. My lipstick is still intact. Beaver style. Okay. Well, there you have it, guys. 8 minutes. Okay. All right, guys, so that completes my challenge for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I want to go ahead and challenge Joe from the Affleck Gang UK, and also Monet from the Allwood Posse, and my girl Karosa G. Yes, girl, you are being challenged by the Poppy Show. And also, if it's your first time, thank you for stopping by. Please go ahead and subscribe. And for my returning pop stars, thank you so much for your continued love and support shown to the Poppy Show. Until next time, peace. Bye, guys.